The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, establishes safety standards for various aspects of fire protection, including the placement of smoke alarms. One important consideration is the proximity of smoke alarms to ceiling fans. A minimum distance of 3 feet, which is equivalent to 0.9 meters, must be maintained between a smoke alarm and the end of the fan blades. This requirement is crucial to prevent nuisance alarms. Ceiling fans can disrupt the airflow around the smoke alarm, potentially diluting smoke concentrations or deflecting smoke away from the detector. This interference can lead to delayed detection or, in some cases, a complete failure to detect a fire hazard. To ensure optimal performance, smoke alarms should be installed in locations where they are not directly affected by air currents from ceiling fans or other sources of ventilation. This includes avoiding placement near windows, doors, and heating or cooling vents. Proper placement allows the smoke alarm to accurately detect smoke particles and provide timely warning in the event of a fire. Factors influencing optimal smoke alarm placement beyond ceiling fans. It's essential to consider several other factors that impact the effectiveness of smoke alarms. Firstly, smoke alarms should be installed on every level of a home, including the basement. Secondly, install smoke alarms inside and outside of sleeping areas. Thirdly, for optimal protection, interconnected smoke alarms are recommended. When one alarm sounds, all interconnected alarms throughout the house will also sound, providing early warning to all occupants. The type of smoke alarm is another critical consideration. There are two main types of smoke alarms: ionization and photoelectric. Ionization smoke alarms are generally more responsive to flaming fires, while photoelectric smoke alarms are more responsive to smoldering fires. For comprehensive protection, it is recommended to install both types of smoke alarms or combination alarms that incorporate both technologies. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure smoke alarms are functioning correctly. Test smoke alarms monthly by pressing the test button. Replace batteries at least once a year or sooner if the low battery warning signal sounds. Smoke alarms should be replaced every 10 years as their sensors can degrade over time. When installing smoke alarms, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Pay attention to recommended mounting heights and distances from walls and ceilings. Avoid placing smoke alarms in dead spaces, such as the peak of a frame ceiling. Smoke alarms play a vital role in fire safety, providing early warning that can save lives. By understanding and adhering to NFPA guidelines for placement, including maintaining a minimum distance of 3 feet from ceiling fans, and by following best practices for installation and maintenance, individuals can significantly enhance their home's fire safety and protect themselves and their families.